Good evening, everyone. This is Tina. See you again. And this video is important because this video gonna show you the best option when you want to add some custom code during the creation in the bin lifecycle. Okay. So let's start. Actually, it's pretty easy, but this is a recommended way to do that. Okay, so I just add on top of that. If you don't want to have those aware and interface and initializing bin, you can just remove it. Okay, so let me add. You can say pass void custom init method. And the system out. Okay, this one, oh, I forgot to change, added some comment here, custom init. Okay, and then here I'm gonna using this time first name equals xring in custom init. Okay, I should say change the by. Okay, here I add another one. Okay, after property set we can do like this. Okay, so this custom init will be called after this property set, so this one gonna override this one. Eventually the first name you get, this one gonna be xing in custom init. Okay, then once you have here, if you don't do any configuration, it's just a regular method here, doesn't do anything. You have to register it to tell this is a customer method. How to tell it? Inside the bin init method, you can choose custom init. Okay, and that's it. And let's run. Okay, so here, this is the stages we have go so far. Using the constructor to initiate our bin, call the set method, okay, to populate the properties. And these three are the aware interface callbacks, and this after property set, which is the initializing bin interface callback. Okay, and this custom init is a regular method you put inside your customer this class, and you register it to say this is my custom init method. Okay, and this one is what we printed out in our main, which is here. So eventually your first name, we are using the custom init that value because this is the last stage we go so far. Okay, and this custom init is the best option, and which people will use actually in the real project. And there's another kind of like equivalent one, is called a post constructor annotation. I'm gonna show you in another video. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.